Hi, I'm John Strobin. I'm the founder and organizer for the Paranormal Houston Investigations. We've been a ghost hunting group for 14 years. We'd like to welcome you to our website. Thank you for stopping by and checking us out. We're just creating this website, so it's brand new for us this year. So what we plan to do is do some educational things for right now, do some near-death experience recordings, discuss the types of equipment we use for ghost hunt and how we go about doing a ghost hunt. And we will educate you on how you can conduct your own paranormal investigations, sometimes with very few tools, which might just include a cell phone and a pair of coat hangers. So if you're interested, please come back to our channel. That's what we're going to be working on. It takes a lot of money for us to do this type of operation and continue our research and our efforts and to produce these videos. So if you could see your way clear to make a small contribution, a larger one would be preferred. Of course, that'll make it easier for us to do more work for you and present you with better materials and more information quicker. We'll be adding stuff to our program every week for our website, so you can come back anytime. If you'd like to register with us, we will send you an email and let you know anytime we update our information so you can return and catch that video clip.